Welcome to IBM Global University Programs. IBM Global University Programs is the main vehicle that IBM uses to engage with the academic community. IBM Global University Programs provide access to resources around areas such as data science, artificial intelligence, blockchain, quantum computing, cybersecurity, and more. With the IBM Global University Programs, we've summarized the resources in three main areas. Areas around skills and talent, known as the IBM Academic Initiative and IBM Skills Academy. The areas of university awards and research, which is how we are able to distribute our research and faculty awards, and of course, so much more. With the IBM Academic Initiative, it is the main program that IBM uses to provide access to IBM resources for free to accredited academic institutions, as long as the resources are used for teaching, learning, and non-commercial research. And there's a great video that's 2.5 minutes here so that anyone at your institution who's a faculty or student can leverage these resources. The follow-on to the IBM Academic Initiative is the IBM Skills Academy. The IBM Skills Academy incorporates a teach-to-teacher model along with hands-on lab experiences that faculty are then able to bring back into their own classroom and teach their students using the same resources they learned on so that their students can get badge credentials. And follow-on to that, we have other resources to enable people to continue becoming lifelong learners, which includes the IBM Skills Gateway and, of course, the IBM Global Entrepreneur Program. On the IBM Global University's program website, you'll see a vast amount of resources covering these areas and more. In addition, you'll see that we have blogs and other resources from our executive leadership team that you'll be able to see updates from on a regular basis. We encourage you to spend time with the IBM Global University Programs team, and we encourage you to take advantage of the IBM Global University Programs website. We look forward to doing this journey jointly with you. Thank you.